Welcome back, pure short traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at during the London session. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Again, if you guys do trade the US session, we do put up a live market analysis for you guys an hour before the US session. That way you guys can get the levels and the understanding of where we're looking to go long and or short. We will also have a video up here for the midweek trading for the smaller account, so again, check that video out as well. But let's go ahead and jump into the market analysis here. So for S&P 500, we are retesting some resistances. You can see we retested 47.0575, and you can see another level up, 47.14 is where we kind of, well, a little bit closer than that. I think it's somewhere right around, let's take a look, hold on. It's going to be somewhere right around these 1075s where we kind of tested that area and fell back down. And S&P 500 from there kind of went towards the downside, went as low as somewhere right around these 72s, and then bounced right back up, holding right around these 79 to 80s, and then pushing right back up to the upside. You can see a nice double top here, 47.0575, and then trying to pull back down. So we'll see if we get the support here at 91.50, or if the market tries to pull us down deeper right back into these 80 to 81s and then bounce up from there. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. Again, for me, S&P 500 still going to be somewhat bullish. Now, we're not pushing new highs, so just keep that in mind right now. Going in what they call a range. So if you're trying to go long at 90 to 91, you can see it's going to be right in the middle of that range. Wider levels are going to be here at 0575, and then the support down below right between these 79 to 80s, with a low peak on the downside right around these 72. So just keep that in mind. As of right now, I am looking for S&P 500 to pull down just a little bit deeper and maybe get a nice double bottom here for a long opportunity. If not, if we get below this area, you definitely could see the market try to retest 80 and fall back down to the wider level of 46.55, and support beneath that 46.4450. So those are going to be our levels for the downside. Above 14, 47.29, and then 47.4050 are going to be the resistance levels. So I do want to see what we get. We could actually come retest this area again here at 05, fail, get a nice triple top, and fall down from there. But we'll see, kind of right in the middle of the range, so not necessarily a good area for me to want to trade. I do think we'll come down to more of an exhaustive area here, and then see what the opportunities will be if we get along or if we continue to go below that. Let's move over into a smaller chart here on S&P, show you guys a little bit of a closer view. So you can see a little bit of micro areas. We have 4700, and again major area 4705. Wanted to see if we can get back above. Nice double top holding this neckline here, as you can see right now, kind of holding this neckline here. So if we do reject it, we could end up seeing this fall a little bit deeper, which is what I'm anticipating the market to try to do. But I don't necessarily want to try to trade right in the middle of this wider range. So I'm probably going to stay out till it gets to the exhaustive level, and then try to see what we do down below right over here at these 46.80. So that's going to be a better opportunity for me coming here on S&P. Let's move over into gold. Take a look at what's going on with gold. So gold, we are holding above a support level. I do think we retest this area, 1788.4. If we fail to get through, that will be the area that we look for a short position to come right back down to support at 82.3, and then below that 1779.4. We haven't necessarily got all the way down there, so maybe we will end up trying to touch it and then getting the bounce up from that area. But as of right now, we are trying to pull up into resistance at 88.4. So that's going to be a better area to look out for that short opportunity. If not there, you can look up 1792.6 and 1794.4 are going to be the next areas of resistance that we potentially could get a nice double top in this general zone, and then a nice short opportunity to come right back down. But if we come down, there also could be support at 1788.4 if we do just press right through that as resistance. So a lot of opportunity here, but if you want to make it easier, I'd like to short at 92.6 to about 94.4, and the support here at 82.3 and or 79.4. If you want a closer level to short, 1788.4 as we come towards that level could be our area as well. You can see that peak and those peaks there trying to hold price down could be the opportunity where we try to get that short right back down. So a little bit of wider areas for us here on gold. We'll see what happens there. Moving over into crude oil. On crude oil, we are above a prior level of resistance and could potentially get this support at this area here, 72.79. If not there, next level down below, 72.26 as the area of support. Now, if we get below 26, look out for the market to try to drop off into 70.93 and then see if we can hold support there. But that's going to be my wider levels here. That support for a long opportunity, and if not there, look for this area for a long. Get below this area where we were holding nice support. That's where we're going to look for a short opportunity to try to come right back down, 70.93. So we'll see what happens here on crude oil as well as we draw into the London session. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe for us. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Check out the morning market live analysis with us. Also, check out some of our tutorial videos that we got up for you guys. If you guys make sure you guys trade well, trade with discipline, trade with patience, and we will see you guys later. Take care, guys.